Ahoy, landlubbers! I be One Hand Winslow, captain of the pirate ship Outlier, and I'm here to ask ye, what's a pirate's favorite programming language? R, of course. Excuse me. Um, so these videos are going to be about giving you your sea legs with R. I'll be teaching you most of the basic functions you'll be needing for a statistics class, an entry-level college statistics class. Now, a few weeks ago, my pirate ship, we boarded another ship off the coast of New Zealand, and we found no treasure, but we did bring aboard some scholars to hold for ransom. Turned out that they were Rasahaka and Robert Gentleman, the creators of R, and they talked my ear off as the captain of the pirate ship Outlier, about how R is a full-featured programming language, and it's based on another language called S, and it's object-oriented and all this gobbledygook. And now I'm no scholar, just a humble pirate, so these tutorials aren't going to teach you everything it takes to be a computer programmer, and I won't be assuming that you know anything about programming either, so don't worry if you don't know anything about programming. You will learn quite a bit about programming just because R is a programming language, but I'll be skipping over some of the nitty-gritty stuff that might be covered if you were learning to be taking a computer science class or something. And, if that's what you're looking for, there's plenty of other tutorials on YouTube and on the web. So first thing we need to do to get started with R is actually install it. Now, I've already got it installed here, but chances are you don't. So you can go, I would just do a Google search for install R. And we're going to be using RStudio, but you need to install R first. So this is the website for that, r-project.org, and you can go ahead and click on the little thing here where it says download R. Get that going. Doesn't really matter where you download it from. And then you're also going to need RStudio, which is, well, strictly speaking, you don't need RStudio, but it's a tool that makes R a little bit easier to use, and all of my tutorial videos are going to be using RStudio. So you need to install both of these things before you can, use these tutorials. But I'm going to go ahead and let you assume that you can figure that out on your own, and open up R, or RStudio, I should say. And when you open it up, you're going to get something that looks something like this. On the left side right here, this is the console, as it says up at the top, and then we've got our workspace and the file browser over here. This area gets used for a lot of things, besides just files. We'll be seeing plots there a lot, and sometimes help. And then if we actually create an R script file, which we will be doing in a few more videos probably, then we get a fourth pane where we can edit our script. So this is RStudio, and now that you've got it set up, you can go ahead and move on to the next video.